So what we're doing today is replacing the switches on the fan knobs for the fan above the stove. And the problem is that's broken off plastic. What it should look like, here's the new switch that I have. This nut goes around the thread and you push it through, and then the nut holds against this. Both of the nuts broke off. So what you have to do is get up underneath it. It's up in here. So once you get that case off, now you've got these switches are dangling. This switch is an identical match. Or you could do it like I do it. What I'm going to do is take them off one at a time and just shove them into the new switch. So I guarantee they go right back in the same spot. If you just pull on it, it won't come out. And you stick it in and the wire just comes right out. And you shove that into the new one and now it grips. And so we're doing it identical to the way it's coming out. So let's do the second one. And then you do the other two on this side.
Yeah, it's tight. And the final one comes right off like that. And you take and put it into the same spot on the other. And the shingles are all snug in there.
Just test it. Turn it on. Now we get this thing and we get the two switches. We'll poke through their little holes here, and then we've got the switches are back. And I'll show you what's up underneath there. So this is going to go in that little tab back there, and then it's going to kind of cover the wires, and that covers the back side, and you put those screws back in and that kind of covers it all up. That fixes that. See if I can get a picture of the model number for you, just to show you exactly which one we were messing with here. And if you're lucky, it'll be the same one you have.